Hello everyone. Today we will see the assembly of a two-wheeler engine. This is crank. It contains bearing inside it for the movement or relative movement with respect to the body. A piston is provided on the connecting rod and the piston is assembled to connecting rod with the help of a gudgeon pin. Now these are the gears that are assembled on a shaft. There are two types of gears. One is a primary and second is a secondary gear. That means for the transmission of power from one shaft to another shaft and to vary the torque, these two gears are provided. This is clutch plate. It is a multi-plate type clutch plate and it has a cover. The springs are provided for damping the vibrations and returning the pressure plate. This is the clutch plate cover. This is the engine head assembly. It is a two-stroke engine. Hence, you are seeing the ports in that body. This is spring gear. That spring gear is used for starting of the engine. That means we called it as kick. This is the fully assembled engine, and now again we are seeing the other side of the assembly. The gear selector mechanism, that means you have seen the scooter, in that this part is placed gear selector assembly. This is flywheel and the magnetic assembly. That what do you mean by magnetic is that magnetic is for generation of electricity for the vehicle and providing electricity to the spark plug. This Magneto assembly or magnetic assembly or generator is placed inside the flywheel. It also have some weight that